You probably already know this since I'm speaking to you via YouTube, but we live in a world that is dominated by video. Why is that relevant to e-commerce? On top of using video as a form of entertainment and communication, we use it to help us make buying decisions. Now, 73% of US adults say that they are more likely to purchase after watching a video that explains that product or service. And nearly 80% of consumers feel that product videos increase their confidence when purchasing products online. You can see that now, more than ever, e-commerce video matters. If you want to research your customers, drive more sales, and keep pace with your competitors, you absolutely need to be leveraging video. So today, I'll be covering why e-commerce video is so important, the different types of videos that you should be using, and how to effectively create and promote your videos. Before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our e-commerce insight videos. Video is critical for e-commerce marketing strategies for a number of reasons. First and foremost, it allows potential customers to better understand products. Unlike brick and mortar retailer, customers cannot physically touch e-commerce products before purchasing. But video can meet this need by showing the product in action and giving customers more context for what it looks like, feels like, and acts like day to day. The reality is, videos increase conversion rates, boost sales, and increased trust levels. Now, every brand approaches video differently, but these are a few of our recommended media efforts for boosting conversions. First up are product demonstrations. There is a reason that infomercials have been used for years to drive sales for products from OxyClean to Ginsu knives. Seeing a product in action is more compelling than simply reading a series of bullet points about what that product can do. Product demonstration videos allow you to highlight specific benefits and show potential customers tangible ways that the products will improve their lives. For example, Mudwater uses simple product demonstration videos throughout their homepage to show how to make their drink, what the beverage looks like, and how easy it is to start your day off with it. Second are product spotlight videos. Product spotlights allow customers to get an up-close look at products that they are considering to buy. They help customers imagine how something will feel and what materials it is made from. Think of how Apple uses e-commerce product spotlight videos to highlight the sleek design of their latest computers and phones. They rotate it so you can see the clean edges, the technology, and the crystal clear displays. Customers may not be able to physically touch the products you sell in your e-commerce store, but well-done product spotlight videos can compensate and improve this aspect of the customer's experience. Third are lifestyle videos. Lifestyle videos show real people using your products in their daily lives. They help customers envision how they might use the products and give them a sense of how the items might serve their day-to-day needs. For instance, if you sell waterproof hiking boots, you can show a hiker trudging through deep puddles and then show his dry socks as he's taking off the boots. If you sell fitness equipment, you can show people of all types and sizes using your equipment in various ways. Make your lifestyle videos relatable to your target audience though, and get them excited for the ways that your product will enhance their lives. Here's a video from Peloton that combines a product demonstration with lifestyle content woven throughout. Up fourth are testimonial videos. These are one of the most effective ways to increase sales and overcome objections. But above all else, testimonial videos build trust. They're usually formatted as a short video that captures an individual's experience with a product or service, then their opinion on it, and why they recommend it others too. Testimonials ease customers' fears because they have social proof that products really work and people benefit from them. A person might not believe everything you have to say about your products, but they will likely believe a verified reviewer. This example from Code Academy shows how a great testimonial can demonstrate the value of a product or service through the eyes of a customer. Fifth, we have tutorials. Tutorials are an effective way to show your target audience how to use your products to achieve a very specific outcome. For customers who are deep in the research stage of buying journey, product tutorials can provide assurance that they'll be able to accomplish what they want with their products. Tutorials can also reduce product returns by decreasing confusion or frustration that customers might experience while trying to use your products. CrossNet does a great job of this on their product page. They show a video and written instructions for how to play their new sport. Finally, the sixth type of videos are ads. A number of e-commerce brands have achieved enormous success using promotional videos that are full of personality. For example, Dollar Shave Club became a household name almost overnight with "Our blades are effing great" advertisement. If you have a budget, think about creating a video ad in your brand voice that not only sells products, but also builds brand love. Now that you know some of the types of videos you should be using, let's review how to create and promote impactful videos. The good news is that e-commerce videos have gotten exponentially easier to create over the last decade. With smartphone cameras now able to shoot in 4K at 60 frames per second and easy to use cloud-based video editing software, quality e-commerce videos can be really produced inexpensively and easily. That being said, you still need to be strategic about how you create and promote videos that will make an impact. Here are some things to guide you in the creation and promotion process. Number one, consider the entire customer journey. When deciding which types of videos to create, it's tempting to go right to the product page, which is usually near the end of the buying process. And while product videos are certainly essential, don't neglect the other stages of the customer journey and the conversion funnel. For example, e-commerce video is an excellent way to capture somebody's attention in the awareness stage and move them to the interest stage. When a person is in that research stage, consider using educational content like explainer videos and tutorials. At each stage of the journey, customize your video efforts to meet the needs of your shoppers. Number two, use video for retargeting and lead generation. Two of the best ways you can use videos are retargeting and lead generation, which really go hand in hand. If someone shows you an interest in a video, perhaps by watching more than the typical viewer, you can retarget them with a relevant landing page. Or you can retarget them with a second video that is designed to further qualify leads before ultimately directing them towards an opt-in page. Number three, match the right video to the right platform. Not every video is necessarily right for every platform. Most TikTok videos are 60 seconds or less. Longer videos like tutorials are much more effective when they're shared on platforms like YouTube or Facebook. This reality should also inform which platforms you target at each stage of the buying journey. As a general rule, though not hard and fast, brand awareness videos are going to be shorter and thus more appropriate for short-form social platforms like TikTok and Instagram. Further down the funnel you go, the longer your videos can be, since prospects are increasingly willing to spend more time engaging with your content. Number four, use videos in multiple places on your website. Product pages aren't the only place to effectively use videos on your website. You can create a centralized hub for all of your product tutorials. Answer questions with videos on a category page, or show off your latest videos in your blog post. By embedding videos across your entire website, your visitors will get more engagement and build a better customer experience. Beyond your website, you can also repurpose video assets into pieces of content for ads, live events, sponsorships, and much more. So, what does a winning e-commerce video look like? In the description below, I'll link to an article that includes examples for you to check out. That about sums it up for today. In summary, to increase conversions and build a better customer experience, you need to be utilizing e-commerce video. If you don't have any videos currently on your site, start with your product pages. This is the lowest hanging fruit, and product videos could be the exact nudge shoppers need to make their purchasing decisions. Once you have videos on your key product pages, slowly branch out, creating videos for each stage of the buyer's journey. Use A/B testing to determine where on your site and which types of videos perform best, and then adjust your content creation efforts based on this. You've got this. Thanks for watching today. If you've liked the video, please hit the subscribe button, and I look forward to seeing you next time.